In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the unusual activity detected error on Elevenlabs. If you've encountered this error, don't worry. We're going to walk through some steps to resolve it. First, let's start with the basics. Open up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you use regularly. Once your browser is open, navigate to the top right corner of the window. There, you'll see an icon, often represented by 3 vertical dots. Go ahead and click on those. You're going to want to select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you into the Settings or Options area where you can make adjustments to how your browser behaves. A common cause of unusual activity errors is cache or cookies stored in your browser, which can sometimes become corrupt or outdated. So let's clear those out. Within the Settings menu, look for an option related to clearing browsing data or history. Make sure you select the option that allows you to clear cache and cookies, then proceed to clear them. This can help reset your browser's connection with various websites, including Elevenlabs. Next, let's verify your network connection. Sometimes the problem might not lie with the browser at all, but instead with the internet connection. Check if your network is stable. Occasionally, switching to a different network, such as a mobile hotspot or another Wi-Fi connection, can resolve the issue. This might indicate that there's something about the network configuration that Elevenlabs doesn't like. In addition, if you're using a VPN, it's a good idea to disable it temporarily. Once it's disabled, go ahead and reload Elevenlabs. VPNs sometimes alter your network configuration or make your connection appear suspicious to certain websites, leading to unusual activity errors. If you're still facing the issue after trying these steps, it might be worth considering upgrading to a paid plan on Elevenlabs. Often, free accounts have usage limits or restrictions that, when exceeded, can trigger these kinds of errors. This brings me to another important point. Try to avoid creating multiple free accounts. This practice could not only breach Elevenlabs' terms of service, but also increase the likelihood of encountering this error, as it might be flagged as unusual activity. Finally, if you've tried all these solutions and the issue persists, it's time to reach out to Elevenlabs support for assistance. They can provide more personalized help and insights specific to your account situation. Remember, keeping your account information handy will help expedite this process. I hope you find these tips helpful in resolving the unusual activity detected error. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech troubleshooting tips.